और Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ki paiban nong snong jong kasnong mai khuli ka snong kaplang hapa po Ribhoi district kila berngam banjenrat napang ya ki arli kinar pos elektrik balasi be an daka Assam State Electricity Board haka kendai tri unailar arja pesan haupu usam jong kasnong kani kejingwan si ya kinar pos elektrik kala penmi ya kejingakan at bat ka thmak tin ka bajur pha ha pedang ki paiba kasnong mai khuli bat ki paiba nong snong kejala Assam ka jing persya jong ki paiba kasnong mai khuli kalong nadu kasngi baka Assam State Electricity Board kala si ya kinar pos elektrik para opor kador pasnong kala pentepru syaki bor sensyar ka Ribhoi district halor kani ke jingja rei na ka jinga pen ibor ki brio na Assam ka jinga kan at kala nang jur kat hadu paki magistrate paki pulit na Ribhoi bat na kamrop kila haban her syaknong mai khuli pantam ke jinga kan at layat hu shu ba ka jinga kan at bat ka thmak tien kalami tang na kadaw ka jing pen su thu bakala da umadhav deka basa ka jala Assam ubalai lam bakala lot iki pai ba na kisnong khapot ka Assam wat lai kani ka kam la dei banyak pen baik deki bor sensyar district jong Ribhoi ber kamro kipat ba kasnong mai khuli kila dawa ya deputy commissioner ka Ribhoi district banyak pen baik bat deputy commissioner ka Kamrup district reilem kumta kila berngam banjenrat hi da kabor namar bayaki pos elektrik la si be an da ka Assam sya uput usam kasnong mai khuli ka badang hap ha ka jela Meghalaya
It's clearly mentioned here that central government schemes won't be affected at all, but yet both RDCs have agreed to the fact that we will coordinate amongst each other because, see, this is not a one-time thing. These people will be staying here forever amongst each other. So our duty is to ensure that communication is shared up until this is resolved. Okay, so the question, the issue here is that they weren't informed, and see, this is still an area of difference. Both RDCs also, as according to the letter from the Secretary of the Government of India, also they have said that both the DCs will come and visit these places before the regional committees meet again. And prior to that also, if we have gone through the files, there are letters given by both RDCs stating that communication will be shared. So that's why, see, it's a question of land. Okay, so the thing is, they are also afraid that part of the land will be taken. I understand that from your people also, people will be afraid that your land also will be taken. That's why information was very important to be shared. So last time even they had come for house numbering, na? House numbering. That issue also was resolved. Okay, because I spoke to Mr. Besha. Mr. Besha and I had come to that part. Even in Yongkuli also, there's another village. Okay, there's another village called Yongkuli. We had visited the village. It was sorted. Why? Because information was shared between two state governments. Yes. So, yes, exactly that.
Wat penleno yakani kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu saw po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta philaban yo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar chaneng pinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ki sopti ka de ka wei ki design tang na ka binta jongpi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran po no menta hau khandai saw lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra